Ever feel like you're herding cats instead of hiring a tradesman? Ever had a snag that needs attention after a job in your home has been completed, or had a job left half done, then poof, your tradesman disappears like a magician's trick? At Home Assist, we're here to end your nightmares. We guarantee fairness. We are here to step in to sort out all your woes. Sick and tired of the non-stop research, the calls and the follow-ups, even confused about what to even ask, and most certainly wanting to avoid this guy.
Oh, hello there. Single glazed windows? How 90s. It's high time for a double date with our double glazing. It's like gifting your home a thermal tracksuit, snug and silent. Dial now, because we're the painkillers your home needs. Using Home Assist to book a tradesman was like a breath of fresh air. Their commitment to support and their protective measures if things went pear-shaped really impressed me. I particularly valued their escrow payment system, where the payment isn't released until the job's been checked over and confirmed. That's a key part of their £1,500 trade guarantee. With Home Assist, you feel like you're in reliable and experienced hands.
Today, we're discussing a recent project involving the installation of pipework for a new kitchen sink. The customer was delighted with the result and signed the satisfaction note, signaling the go-ahead to release payment from the escrow account. But hold up, we found some stuff to tweak before we release any payment. Every job demands top quality. Don't let your project go sideways because someone tried to cut corners. Get our expert eyes on your job, save yourself a mountain of headaches down the line. We back it with a £1,500 guarantee. Avoid a nightmare scenario. And dodge the disaster story. We're your team. From legal proceedings to handling issues, we manage it all. Our ironclad guarantee has you covered. You're not just a face in the crowd.
So looking to get 2 quotes for your next home project, whether it's solar, a new boiler, a fresh roof, an extension, any electrical work or handyman services, we're here for you.
So let's recap. Supporting you with our £1,500 trade checker guarantee and troubleshooting service. We ensure you receive 2 thoroughly vetted and confirmed quotes from competent tradespersons, ensuring your final decision is the most beneficial choice that's best for you. All complete with our exclusive web offer of 24-month interest-free payments.